In the medical industry, there are many disciplines. They all share the goal of improving, saving, or changing lives. Join us as we meet the people, discover the technology, and explore the organizations of this vital industry. Advances are constantly being made to better the lives of countless individuals. Let's explore the next generation of medical technology.
Most drivers would brush off a restless night before getting behind the wheel, but few probably realize the danger of a weary motorist. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, fatigue is the cause of nearly 60% of all accidents. By the organization's estimate, sleep deprivation results in more than 1,500 deaths, 71,000 injuries, and a loss of $12.5 billion a year.
Driving while sleep deprived can be as dangerous as driving drunk. In the transportation industry and in the military, sleep deprived individuals must be identified in order to prevent serious accidents.
Transportation isn't the only industry affected by fatigue. In sports, for example, athletes struggle to strike the perfect balance between training and rest. If they train too much, they risk getting injured, whereas if they train too little, they risk a poor performance at the next big game. Meanwhile, in sleep medicine, identifying disorders can be difficult and subjective, preventing many patients from receiving the treatment they need.
The pharmaceutical industry needs methods for determining which drugs cause fatigue or reduce fatigue. Sleep medicine physicians need objective standards for determining the amount of fatigue in their patients so that they can prescribe the best treatment.
While sleep deprivation can be as dangerous as drunkenness, there hasn't really been an objective way to measure it like a breathalyzer. People rarely report their own level of fatigue accurately, an error that can cost them dearly.
The inability to measure fatigue objectively is not only extremely dangerous, it's also very expensive. The loss attributable to sleep deprivation is enormous. It's estimated that in the U.S. alone, the cost is $140 billion per year.
Hyperion is a biotechnology company located in San Antonio, Texas, dedicated to developing methods of measuring fatigue. With a simple saliva sample, Hyperion's technology can effectively gauge an individual's level of fatigue. The company was recently awarded a patent for using its technology in the training of athletes and soldiers, and currently has additional patents under review.
Hyperion's technology could revolutionize a number of different fields. For example, in athletics, our technology will let athletes and trainers optimize physical performance. In transportation, it will increase safety, and in medicine, it will allow for objective diagnosis of disease. And finally, for our military, it will offer commanders a more focused approach to selecting the right personnel for the mission.
Hyperion's technology represents a major shift in the way industries operate. For the transportation industry, it means making sure drivers are fit for duty and identifying those who aren't before a serious accident occurs. For sports, it means ensuring athletes, whether professional or weekend warriors, are training at optimal levels. In sleep medicine, fatigue can be measured more quickly. Patients can get the treatment they need and find out if the treatment is effective. For the pharmaceutical industry, it means determining whether or not new drugs affect fatigue.
Basically, fatigue level could be used in any industry where fatigue is an issue. Because fatigue is so important in so many areas of health and wellness, we even envision fatigue biomarkers becoming a new vital sign.
Every year, the importance of managing fatigue is becoming clearer to insurers, the military, companies, and individuals. Objective measurements of fatigue, such as those developed by Hyperion Biotechnology, are at the heart of designing systems to identify and mitigate fatigue in the workplace and in the lives of everyday Americans.